From 2017 onwards, I was searching for land plots and ready-made houses for myself, and finally I decided that Homemakers Private Limited is the best company in the town to get attached and to get my dream home done. It's very much user-friendly and the practicality is there, because when you are living in a house, right, the visitors comes and you have to entertain some people, and that if the practicality is not there, end of the day, like it will be a failed project for you. And after doing the house, you can't do any adjustments to user-friendly aspect. So I think from the beginning, I have this practicality and the user-friendly. They showed me some land plots and the ready-made houses, but I thought that I have to get involved from the beginning, from the designing stage. So the company, I think the architect engaged with me, and I gave my requirement to them. And I would say from the first meeting, they have done the design according to my requirement. And then again, when the process was started, and if I had to do some modifications, but they are always very flexible and they cater it. So there's no two words that they always think of the client aspects, not from the company aspect of it. I think they have a very young, talented interior designers. Simultaneously, I got involved with the interior designers and also with that main architect, the CEO of the company. And he knows how you should put your furniture in, the color combinations, the fabrications, and everything was in his mind. So we got together as a team with the client, and he put everything into this project. And I would say if you are doing a house and if you want to get done your interior designing, is always very much practical if you can go to one company. Otherwise, sometimes if you want this furniture, they will put all these huge unmatched furniture into, example to living room, and it will not look nice, right? Even the picture, right, light fittings, everything. When you work as a team, right, the client, the interior designers, and the architect is a team. So their ideas comes together, and finally you can do a very good job. So I didn't have any hassle to go to another company, because then from the beginning you have to tell the measurements of the house, the measurements of the walls, what the light fittings that you are going to use and all is another, I think for me, is another hassle for me. But I didn't have any hassles when I was doing this furniture and the fabrications, because they did a really super job for me. And I think as a client, I feel very much comfortable. And also when people walked into my house, right, when they walked into house, they have this wow feeling. So I think that matters a lot for the client. Then you have a really proud to have a house like this. Because they are also very flexible, because sometimes I would say this is my personal experience, even in the night, if I want to get something done, the designers, they are always on call, and they they do the design again and they resend it by next day morning. So that's very important for the client. Otherwise you had to wait for days and days to get your design done. But with this HM interior designing team, I didn't have any issues. Basically, they did a superb quality job. Of course, I recommend Homemakers Private Limited and the Homemakers interior design team for my family and friends, because as a lady, my personal experience, any female party can walk into that Homemakers Private Limited office without any fear. And when you are doing a house, you put a lot of money into that project. So finally you have to get a superb house on that. So I want to give this message to all ladies, don't get scared. You can just walk into that office, you can meet the team, and you can give your requirements, and they will fulfill your requirements, and they do a superb job with passion.
Homemakers, making luxury affordable to everyone.